Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize credit card funding for investing on Stash, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin funding your Stash account with a credit card, open the Stash app on your device. Log into your Stash account using your credentials. Once you're on the main dashboard, navigate to the funding section. Here, you will find options for adding funds to your account. Select Add Funds to proceed with funding your account. Choose credit card as your preferred payment method. You will be prompted to enter your credit card information. Input your card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter the billing address associated with the card accurately. Once all information is entered, double-check for any errors. After confirming your details, click on the Submit button. Stash will process your credit card funding request. You should receive a notification confirming the transaction status. If successful, your funds will be available for investing shortly. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section in the app. You can also contact Stash customer support for further assistance. Now you are ready to start investing with your Stash account using credit card funding. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.